Let us learn about community helpers. Teacher, doctor, policeman, cobbler, driver, postman, barber, tailor, milkman, farmer, greengrocer, plumber, fireman, soldier, porter, mason, carpenter, potter. Answer the following questions. Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school. To whom do we go to when we are sick? We go to the doctor when we are sick. Who catches robbers? The policeman catches robbers. Who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letters? The postman brings our letters. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Who brings